Let us understand the objectives of cost accounting. Why we should have cost accounting? See, there is a primary objective for study of cost accounting. It's basically to identify the cost. It's basically to identify the cost so that you can contribute to the profitability. Because if you identify the cost, you would know what kind of profit you can load on your selling price. And again, finding the cost would also helps in cost control. That is, you can find out the areas where your cost is going up, which you can control, and it would ultimately lead to cost reduction. So the very objective of cost accounting is to contribute to the profitability. How they can contribute to the profitability? Through cost control and cost reduction. To put it in detail, there are 5 objectives for cost accounting. Number 1 is ascertainment of cost. Number 1 is ascertainment of cost. Here we will collect all the information related to cost by recording them in suitable heads of account. So such report would facilitate ascertainment of cost. The second one is determining the selling price. The cost accounting would help to determine the selling price, because selling price are influenced by internal and external factors. However, the selling price cannot be and should not be below the cost. So for that purpose, you should know what is your selling price. Number 3, the cost accounting would help in ascertaining the profit of each and every activity, because once you know what is your cost, you can fix target of sales. You can fix what could be the profit you can make. So profit of each department activity can be determined by comparing the revenue with appropriate cost. So cost accounting ensures profit measurement on an objective basis. Number 4, cost accounting also assists the management in decision making. How? Say for example, a particular customer asks for a discount in the price. So here the decision can be taken on acceptance of profit margin. Say for example, the cost of the product is $100 and the margin loaded by the company is $50, so they are selling it for $150. And if customer asks for reduction in the cost from $150 to $125, the management may be able to take a decision, because still they are making a profit of $25. But if the customer asks for the reduction in price from $150 to $90, then again the management would be able to take a decision, because their cost is already $100. They cannot sell below cost. So business decisions are taken after analyzing the cost and benefits of each option, and the manager will choose the least cost option. The 5th objective is to facilitate cost control and cost reduction. Cost control and reduction, this is one of the major objective of cost accounting, because in this way they directly contribute to the profitability of the business. So in the long run, higher profits can be achieved only through cost control and cost reduction, and cost accounting will ensure profit by providing support for cost control and reduction decisions.